Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria Riggins and I do a lot of mom related content, cooking, cleaning, and organization and all that good stuff. So if that's what you like, don't forget to subscribe. So today I am taking you into my closet. Luckily, we have 4 closets in our master bedroom, so I don't have to share. This closet is all mine, and this is one of the 2 closets I have. The other closet I use for pretty much hanging and storing things. So what I'm showing you is how I organized my closet. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this rotating organizer that I have. It's good because it keeps little things in place, maybe your earrings, like I keep my nose rings in there, necklaces, things like that. I'm not a big jewelry girl, so I don't have much jewelry. You could also use it for Q-tips, cotton balls if you want to put it in your bathroom. So that's why I got it, many uses. So I'm going to show you a few of my drawers so you can see how I fold my clothing. I use the KonMari method of folding because it's just so much nicer, more organized looking. You can see your clothes a lot easier and you could actually fit a lot more in your drawer. Okay, so next I'm going to show you one of my undergarment drawers, and these are actually 2 garments that I'm selling on Poshmark, so I keep them separate. And then I have my regular one where my undershirts and tops are. Again, I fold everything with the KonMari way. And here's my t-shirts. Lately, it's been t-shirts and leggings all day since we're all cooped up in the house. I always keep a laundry basket in here, so as soon as I'm done undressing, I could just toss it in there and it's neatly in one place. Here I have my shoes. I kind of struggle to open the drawer, but I keep a bunch of my shoes in here out of the way. And then I have a poncho drawer where I have my heavy ponchos. And this drawer stores my bathing suits and my cover-ups, and the drawer right above it, I have a few totes and travel bags for toiletries. So it's good just to have one spot for that. So if I'm going somewhere, I know exactly where to go to grab everything that I need. And then I have some random closet junk drawer that has a few things that I use, like a headscarf and stuff. So again, here's my sweaters that I keep folded. I use a lot of boxes. Boxes are great because it keeps everything neat. You could put your personal items in there. It doesn't have to be exposed. And here's my little bag collection that I rarely use, so I put them on display. I pretty much have 2 everyday bags. This is one of them. The other one is in use, so it's up front by the front door hook. This closet has many hooks that could be used for various things. If you want to hang your belts, other bags up there, that's perfect. And then it has these poles that come out of the shelves, which I use sometimes when I prepare my clothes for the next day. I could just put it on a hanger and hang it here. Okay guys, so no matter how big or small your closet is, an organized closet will reduce time, stress, and anxiety. You don't need to spend a lot to make it happen. The dollar store or Amazon has many storage solutions. The KonMari way of folding is at no cost and it makes a huge difference. So I'm just showing you underneath here where I also have extra storage space, and I actually put my sneakers in baskets and I just push it right under there. Now, as I was closing out, I was like, maybe somebody wants to know what's in my boxes. So I'm going to go right back in my closet and show you guys some of the things that I store in my boxes. One thing a few things in this box that I have are my light scarves. And in the box above that I'm going to show you also, I keep my wedding veil there. This way it's dust-free, kid-free, and safe. But guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope this closet tour will give you the much-needed motivation to get your closet together. And if you're new here again, please don't leave here without subscribing. And again, thanks for watching. See you at my next video. Bye.